what's going on, everybody? Mario here. Guys, I wanted to do a quick unboxing of this EBL portable power station. It is a 330 watt uh, generator and power station, or what do you guys want to call this thing? So it is supported by three things. That you can connect it to your car, you can connect it to a wall socket, or you can use solar. Uh, I've been thinking about getting a Jackery and all kinds of stuff, and for some reason, this one kept popping in the algorithm uh, of Amazon, and started doing my research on it. And well, I would probably say that this is just as good or equivalent to a Jackery, and in many cases, you're paying a lot less for this. I paid 159 bucks for this at Amazon at the time of this taping. You might be able to get it a lot cheaper. I just wanted to get this for my own specific reasons, and I'll explain that to you guys real quick. So these are the general specifications here, just so you guys can look at it. I'm not going to go too much into detail on it. And let's see. This is what it powers, and the purpose of this station and why I got it was, I have a CPAP, and not too long ago we had a power outage, and it happened at the middle of the night, and not being able to sleep because of it was something that really bothered me, and it was something I felt like I needed to do something about that, just so that I'm able to sleep, because I have become very dependent on the CPAP, and it's something that I need on a constant basis, So anyways, guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do an unboxing on this. Obviously, if you guys don't like unboxings, it's probably not going to be something that you guys may like, or whatever the case may be. But, I just want to show you guys what's in here. Recently purchased a solar panel for it. It's a 100-watt solar panel. I'll be discussing that one in general. So let me open the contents real quick on this EBL power station and see what we got. It is packaged very well. So right there's a power station, guys. So as you guys can see, it's a tiny little thing. It's not super huge. Okay, it has a nice detail manual. From what I've seen the online version, and it's pretty well written. It's actually well written in English, which is something that you don't always get. Let's see what's in this box here. I'll show you guys what we got here. These are the other goodies that come with it. Okay, and you guys will be able to see it here real quick. Let me adjust my camera real quick. So let's see. What we got here is the other connectors that go with this for the different types of devices. So what you got here is your connection. This is to connect to your solar panels, which is kind of cool. And it also comes with a car adapter, so you guys can do that from also. And you also got your regular 110 connection, which is kind of cool. I'm actually gonna check it out real quick, guys. So I just want to show you guys how this thing is very tiny, man. It's not really that big, but I do like it. I do like the features that come with this power station. Let me move this box out of the way so you guys can take a look at it. So I do like the body, man. It has a nice hard plastic. The sides, it's got like a rubber coating on it to protect it. The back, it says EBL, which is pretty cool. The handle is nice and sturdy, so it's definitely something that's gonna work for you. So let me turn this on real quick here, guys, and let me see if you guys can take a look at this. So It's actually got 50% of power on it already. So it's kind of cool. So you have your DC connections. So you have two of the 12 volt 5 amp plugs. You have a car, cigarette lighter adapter, and you have over here you have your USBs. You have 3.0 USBs, and you have one Type C, which is kind of cool. I'm glad that they're including that nowadays in a lot of these power stations. And you also, in your AC, you also have the 110 volt. Okay, this is your DC input. This is for your connecting the AC for your home charger. So what I've gathered so far on this, guys, is that it's really cool. It also has a nice little light that comes in here. It's actually really bright, actually. And if you hold it for a couple seconds, let me see if it does it for me. Of course, it's not going to do it for me when I'm trying to do a video here. Oh, there you go. You got to press it twice, and it gives you the SOS if for some reason you're ever caught in a situation that you're in an emergency situation. The light is actually really bright, pretty nice actually. And you also have a, you're able to your cell phone charger, which is pretty cool. I like this a lot. But if anything, guys, what I really like about this power station is this could definitely run my CPAP machine. So if you guys are in the same situation as I am, and you're looking for something that's gonna help you, especially in the middle of the night, if for some reason the power goes off, this might be something you guys should be looking into, man. I can tell you I paid $159 for it at the time of this video, and I do like it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you guys like a 6-month test on this. I'm going to use it in various type of settings, whether solar and also just regular stuff that I'm using in the house, and I'll give you guys a nice update on there. Like I tell you, man, it's also pretty handy to have one of these just for the emergency aspect of it. I mean, I live in earthquake country, man, and having something to protect you it's always a good thing. So anyways, guys, so this is my quick unboxing review of the EBL 330 watt solar power generator. I think this is a great buy for anybody who's looking for something to protect their family and take care of yourselves and your loved ones. So this is pretty much all I got, guys. Like always, God bless you. God bless the United States of America, and I'm out.